This is sick, bro. What's good, everybody? So we're gonna react to Be First, Metamorphose, dance practice. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So you all know, without further ado, let's see what dominance this dance will have in this Metamorphose thing. So let's dive in. Great instrumental. Yeah, this seems chill. This seems cool. This seems it's gonna be a banger. This seems like it's gonna be a banger. I love the formation thus far. You know, these are my bros though. Great moves, man. Great moves, bro. Okay. The craziness has now started. From the moment I've seen them, with that move, it's gonna be craziness. Like, these guys are the kings of moves, bro. Be First, trust me. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, some smooth moves are being displayed here, bro. Some smooth moves, bro. The way always just brace spot like that. Yo, that's neat as fuck, bro. Trust me. Yo, the uniqueness of these guys is astonishing. Right? I've known so much people who can dance, but bro, trust me, the Be First, they are the ones that stand out on top. They are the ones that bring forth different moves, different style, you know, all the differences the Be First guy brings. Trust me. They are exquisite with these dance moves. Ain't no way. Robotic dance, robotic moves. Yo, are these guys actually humans? Because if so, no ordinary humans can move such in that very robotic way, right? No ordinary humans can move in such a robotic way. Like, bro, the hand gestures, the foot movement, the spinal movement. It's different, man. It's different. Crazy. What did you say? How did you feel? Buka, bro. This is really good. I love to see this. I love to see this. The dance practice, bro, it's killing it. Don't ask me why. Yo, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. Just chill. Just chill. Just chill, guys. Cause I do not know how you guys came up with such neat moves. It's like you all are just keep on practicing, bro. This dance practice, it makes so much sense. Trust me. Trust me, bro. Trust me. If I should grade these guys, right, when it comes down to dance moves, it's a solid 10 for me, or if it's out of 100%, it's a 100% grade for me. Because the moves are solid, bro. It's solid. It's not shaky. It's not like very wobbly. It's solid. Solid movement. To be honest, I ain't gonna fly past the song. I ain't gonna stray from the sound, the instrumental, bro, the song, the sound, the beat. It's a phenomenon. It's a phenomenon, bro. And they are matching the beat with those moves. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. Sick! Muka, Muka, Muka. This is sick, bro. The moves is sick. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this, bro. These guys are really good at dancing. Trust me. Oh my goodness! Yo, keep them coming, bros. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. Yo, wonderful moves. Wonderful moves. Yo, if I'm gonna grade, right, just for the energy of this song, just for the energy of this dance, I'll give them a full energetic grade. I will give them a solid 10 because the energy, right, it's been displayed here in so much ways. Yo, oh my goodness, yo, this is really good, bro. Yo, the footwork, it's crazy. It's crazy. I gotta say, you have to engulf yourself with a lot of double joints. Because, you know, if you're gonna dance and practice in this way, bro, right? It's gonna be something lit. It's gonna be something stunning. The practice itself, bro, it takes a lot of joint movements. It takes a lot of, you know, time to catch these movements. And I ain't gonna lie, the movements here, it's impressive. Don't ask me why. Oh my, bro, you guys should keep them coming. Yo, this is enjoyable. Oh my god, yo, these guys, bro, these two guys are doing an incredible job right now. Today, this Monday morning, while I'm reacting to this made my day. This little led my day to be a wonderful time at work, bro. Trust me, I'm enjoying this moment. Yo, the dance move, the twirly moves, bro. Oh my goodness. Yo, I'm now showing these guys tons and tons of respect. Respect, my bros. Respect. Yo, they are certainly a winner. If they are practicing for something, if it's a music video, if it's a show, if it's something to display the talent that they are certainly a big, massive winner. Because they are winning now. This is a winning move. These moves are killer moves. Insanely good moves. Muka, Muka, Muka. Yo, nice. Nice one, my G's. Nice. This is very nice. This is very nice. Nice one, nice one. Nice one. Yo, this is insane. This is neat. This is a completion of a good work. Yo, you guys should always entertain me, always entertain the fans, always entertain the regular viewers of the musical diaspora. because you are showing a lot of entertainment here, and I'm respecting this entertainment. It is very entertaining to watch. It is very fun to watch, and if you all have any form of kids around, trust me, this would be the best content for these kids to watch, because if the kids are really a fan of dancing, they should partake here. Trust me, and watch the Be First movement. One question to the fans, right? How long does this dance take to do? Because even though it's a practice, it must have been a practice before showing themselves on camera. And I would like to know, how long does this dance takes? Because it doesn't take a day or two to practice. It takes a lot of courage, strength and mindset, and also perseverance to continue this dance. How long does this dance take? Because it's showing up some real dance moves here, bro. The hand gestures, the foot gestures, the spinal movement. Astonishing. Yo, bro. Yes. 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 Yo, trust me. I gotta say, from my perspective, you know, it's perfect. It's perfect. The dance move is perfect. It is perfect. And you know what? You know, the combination, they combined, right? They are doing it so precisely. It's a masterpiece. Yeah. Keep it up, bros. Keep it up. I am enjoying this. Bro, the dance, the sound, you know, the entire decorum, it's amazing. Yo, yo, you guys are such a stunning set of people. No jokes, bro. Last part, it's neat as fuck. Yo, well done, bros. Well done, well done. Be First, you have outdone yourselves again today, and I'm loving this, loving this. So if you guys enjoyed this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn the bell icon on to be notified of whenever time I release a Be First reaction. I'll see you guys in the next video.